So just as a recap of yesterday, what we left with is both wings off on both sides. Which already make the car look bare. Both doors off on both sides. And then we also took off the boot lid stuff here. So there's the boot lid. That's near side door, glass. There's one of the wings in there. And the boot lid, and then the steering wheel, which is where I left, which is here. But I can't actually currently take it out because this bit here won't come out for me to be able to then pull that through. This one is already out through over here, just that little bit there, that's the end of it. And then where is it? This one here is really corroded, so you have to be really careful. So I'm just gonna let Brad do that one. But yeah, there's loads of wires everywhere, loads of just everything everywhere really. So it's looking pretty complicated right now, but trying to keep everything as together as possible. But yeah, this is how the car's looking at the moment. We also chopped up this loom because through this little hole is a wire that comes out that makes the horn work, which is just in here. But we couldn't actually get the wires out because they were jammed, so we had to do some special techniques to get it out. But yeah, this is how the car's looking now, and I think we'll carry on throughout the day just stripping it down. Massive lorry, big boy lorry.
Big boy lorry.
Right.
Down here, mate, not up there.
You're quite tall. Right. So both wings are off.
Both wings are off.
Gonna finish taking the dash out, and then our aim today is to take the carpets out, take the tonneau out, take this front scuttle panel off, which is actually all part of the front of the vehicle. Take all that off, and then start unbolting most of the engine bay. Plan to get the engine out. Sounds like a good plan.
Sounds like a great plan.
Nice Wednesday.
I'm excited to get this off.
Nice Wednesday.
Oh, it's a lovely Wednesday actually. Crisp morning.
Let's have a little look. Got this little one out here that we need to start. Got all the parts now, just hiding under the cover.
Okay, so we're just going to do a little rundown of what we found so far. We found one mouse. We found some paper that's been chewed up behind the heater matrix. Haven't we, Sam?
Yeah, we have. It was jammed in. All of that. And then we found some little things down here. A little bit of I think, wrapping, which is nice.
Nice. So we've got both front wings off, top panel. We're just working our way around now. We're going to take the radiator out, and then all the components around the engine. Get the engine crane in and pull the engine out. Nearly there. We've got most of the interior stripped out now. So she's looking back.
Not.
Okay, so we spent the whole morning taking the engine out of Austin Healey. I'll just walk you around the vehicle and show you how far we've got with it.